I hope you like dogs because the thunder was rolling on the day that I made this video and you can hear them in the background all the way through. Hi everyone, Margaret here. I'm going to share with you today a Toffee Apple Crisp Latte using the Pampered Chef Deluxe coffee machine. For this yummy drink, I'm going to use the espresso insert. So this little compartment here, the garage, holds the extra inserts. What I love about this espresso insert is that you use your own ground espresso, so it's super economical. Using the scoop and level, I'm gonna get some ground espresso, exactly 2 tablespoons worth. I love this because you scoop it up and then you just slide this and it makes it a funnel automatically so that I can fill the espresso mold. Now what I love about this most is that you can use whatever kind you like, right? And so I am making this in the afternoon, so I'm using decaf. Don't shun me. It's just that the caffeine makes me jitter, kind of like the dogs are jittering outside with the thunder. So then I'm gonna put this little tamper in. I don't need to really tamp it down like you do with other espresso machines. You just kind of wanna push it down, close this up. I'm gonna stick it right in here, press this down, and then turn it on. It's going to give me my choices, 2, 4, or 6 ounces, and I'm going to go with the 4 ounces. So I'm going to press that and it's going to get started. Okay, there it goes. It's going to brew my coffee, and in the meantime, I'm going to make some froth for the top. This recipe originally calls for oat milk, but I'm going to use half and half for a little bit of a special treat. And because I have the half and half and I don't want it to expire, we don't use it that much, and I bought a big container this time. What gives this yummy drink its very special, very delicious flavor is the Gourmet Toffee Apple Crisp Syrup from Pampered Chef. So to the half and half, I'm actually going to add 2 teaspoons. I could free do this, freehand without measuring, but I tend to have a heavy hand. And so I like to measure it because I really love the flavor of it, just being like it's made. Top goes on. I'm going to go low foam on this. So the frother will do high foam, low foam, cold foam, and warmed milk, like for hot chocolate. So it's doing its thing right there. I've got my 4 ounces of espresso in this cup right here. Look at that. Oh, it's so frothy and yummy looking. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of this same syrup to the coffee itself too. Now, what I love about our coffee machine, you guys, is that you can use it for K-cups, Nespresso pods, the little capsules that are, the little tiny ones. You can use it for hot water. You can use it for ground coffee and ground espresso. Now, the inserts that come with it are the K-cup, the Nespresso, and the ground coffee. And then you can get the espresso, the ground espresso, and the hot water inserts separately. So you can buy those separately, which I love that. So here we go. We've got this ready. We're waiting for this. What I also love about Pampered Chef is this coffee machine is worth every penny. It's just under $350. It's $349. And as a host, when you gather friends to shop with you, you can get it for 60% off, which makes it be $139 and change. I love that. That is a great deal for everything it does. So it's just a beautiful machine. I use it every single day, more than once a day. And then here, this frother, same thing. You can get this for a great deal when you host a party too. So this will, again, do all those different foams I was telling you about. Oh my gosh, here we go. Oh, and it fills it right up. This is so rich and indulgent to me. Oh, so good. And then I'm going to top it with the Cinnamon Plus. This is a spice blend that I use for pumpkin pie, apple pie, what you see me doing with it here. I use it in muffins and all kinds of stuff. Oh, I just love it. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it's like a little dessert. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm also going to add a recipe in the post for this, or the text for this, that includes not only the toffee apple crisp latte, but also a homemade pumpkin spice latte, if that is more your thing. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye now.